Hi, my name is Trisha Vogue, and I have been a third grade teacher in the Olathe School District for the past several years. I have taken this year off to stay home with family and to focus on my master's, and so I can't wait to get back into the classroom next school year. This website that I chose was Elementary. I used Chrome to search it. It ends in an I and not a Y, just to let you know. I chose this because I felt that it really encouraged creative writing in a fun and engaging way, and so I used this one. It has elementary.io, that's the one that you want, so you go ahead and click on that. There is a great little video. It's about 1.5 minutes. We don't have time to watch it during this tutorial, but I highly recommend doing that. It'll give you some ideas that you could share with your class. But it's taking some kind of like personal narrative or different types of writing and making it available to record voice on it, to do awful different text, to put images, make it animated, a bunch of fun little things that they could do to really get engaged with their writing. So the first thing that you want to do is, I've already set up, but you would sign up. If you sign up, you would create your account. When you have kids go on and do this later, they would click on student account and you will have a class code that you will be able to share with them to enter, but I've already created one. So I'm going to go ahead and get logged on for you so you can see how this works. Okay, so once you get here, you get a screen that looks like this. The first thing that you really are going to want to do is create your class. If you've used like Prodigy or Extra Math or any kind of things like that, you would know how to create your class. So you go ahead and did that. Well, I created a class and it gave me my class code. This is important because this is what kids will use to log on. So, oops. I want to go ahead and write. So I have, so it says write a new story is up here. So I'm going to click on that. And it's going to bring me to a screen with a bunch of different options, like add a title. So we read a story last year and did a personal narrative on Alexander and the Terrible, Horrible, No Good, Very Bad Day. And so I had students do a personal narrative on their best day ever, the most amazing day ever. So I'm just going to use that today. So like Miss Vogue's most amazing day. Okay, so I've created a title because this is the title page. And then I have a blank thing, space here for different things. I can do text there, images, backgrounds, sounds, animations, shapes, so many different things that the students could add, and they are so well versed in this kind of stuff. So let's just say I want to do background. So I just click on that. I found this to be pretty easily user friendly. You can pick something that's here that they already have. You can type in something, or say you just want a color. So say I'm just going to pick a color, and then I'm going to go up to images, and I absolutely love to cook. And so I'm going to find a picture that maybe has to do something with food. So I click on it and drag it over. Oops. Okay, sorry. There we go. And so I'm going to put them in there, and you can just move them around just like you just hold the mouse down or whatever and put them in there. You can make it smaller or bigger, however you want to do. I absolutely love to cook, so this would be my most amazing day. Amazing day. All right, so there's my title page, and say I want to go ahead and do the next page. So I would click on page plus page, and now I want to put in maybe some images. Let's say on this one I want to talk about like pancakes. So I'm going to search pancakes, and there's a pancake image. I click and drag it over, and I realize, hey, this thing's like huge. I don't want it this big, so I can just kind of shrink it down. And then I need to add some text to it. So I'm going to click on the text button, and they give you many different types of things that you you could use. When I had my students create a comic strip at the end of the year last year, this would have been a great tool to use had I known about it. So I definitely want to incorporate it again. So anyway, you put your little bubble over here, and you want to type your text in there. Let's just say pancakes are delicious. Okay. And then I want to put some sound in here. So I would go over here and maybe click on the sound. Horror mystery, that might be kind of fun with pancakes. But whatever you want to do is find something that might be fun. Hit and smash. Why not? You can listen to it. Click on it. Okay. And then if you want to record a voiceover, you can just click over here and start talking. Pancakes are awesome. Okay, play. Okay, if you want to hear it, you would click this. Okay, say that worked. Put a name in there. Hit save. And you're good to go. When you're ready to publish it, you would click this, write a description, pick the genre, and go ahead and do that. And then I would be able to see it, and so were the other kids. So this is elementary. I think it's a great thing for you to use in your classroom, and the kids will have a great time creating with it. Thank you.